don't know, I think, remember why we had planned this call yesterday, right? So, can you tell me what is the agenda for this call? We didn't plan this call, but asked for call, and because the problem, the answer asked was a database. Do our team change somehow our database, because Yar wants to asks to add some column or table. Yar. Okay. Okay, so yeah, this is fine. If you want to change the column, this is okay. But please don't forget to add the script, right, in the review migration, right? So let me show you the approach first. Okay. Ярослав, ты тут?
Да-да-да. Ну, опять же, я имею в виду, что... Ладно.
Нет, ты хорошо, но ты спроси, что ты имел в виду. Ты объясни, что ты хотел.
Хорошо, да. Asked I share my screen?
Oh, okay. You are sharing your screen. No problem. Go ahead. Go ahead.
I don't any change in database. Main question I add in this table reports schedule. Please add one column in frequency type int. For this enum, but I don't map cron exception in reports schedule frequency. If you add new column, this problem is fixed. It will make the job easier. Okay. Can you show the database part? Can you show me database? Yeah. So this is for the report, right? This table is for report schedule. So you want me to create a column for the report type, right? Yes. No, frequency type. Yes, frequency. Okay. And what about this cron tab? Then what about this cron tab? The cron tab would be remain same. Cron tab is stay here. Okay. So apart from this cron tab, you want one more field called frequency type, right? Okay. No issue. You can create the frequency type column because you are working on this thing. So can you create a frequency type column integer and make it allow not null mandatory field? Okay, and also add the script. So you know about the script I'm talking about. So while working, so let me share my screen. Can you see my screen? Not now. No, loading.
Okay. So this is the data. Can you see now? Yes, we can.
Yes.
Okay. While adding any field, any column in the table, so write a alter command here in this format, just like date, okay, year, month, date, and minutes. Okay, then underscore, then add the alter column for the table name. So you just need to add the script here. Okay, and one more thing, that when you will add the script, right? So just like, let me show you, because these kind of things will be very helpful while deploying the changes to the production or to the UAT environment. Okay. Yeah. So just like this alter, this is alter comma store procedure. So let me tell you one. Just like this, right? So while adding a field, okay, you just write a query,
write a script. Okay, just like this is so table name, then column name. Just verify if that the column name is already available or not. If not, then write a alter query for adding the column. Okay. Okay. Okay, and also don't forget to do one more thing here. While you add this script, right? Suppose you just added a copy and paste a new file, then go to the right click and go to the property and make it embedded resource builds action. Okay, in build action just select embedded resource. Okay. Okay. Yeah, so in the your PR, suppose if there is any database changes in your PR, in your merge request or in your changes, so these should be uploaded to the latest code, so that tomorrow I'll deploy my code to the UAT environment. So on the same time, I can run my this project with the UAT database, right? This will be with the UAT database, and all the changes will go to the environment. So now in future, if I go to the production, then I will run one query, and all those things would move to the production. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So okay, fine. So and also one more thing. You are talking about deploying the changes, right? So this is the maintenance portfolio report, right? First, I think you tell me the branch name in which branch your code. I will look that because you cannot raise a merge request, right? You don't have the login credentials to log in the GitLab. You can run with the in Visual Studio only, right? So tell me the branch name in which branch you are committing your code, and when you are just about to deploy the changes on the test environment, do let me the branch name and ask me, Asit, I have completed the changes. Please merge this branch to the branch that you want to deploy on the test environment. Okay, I understand. Okay. Yeah. In my change or Richard change? No, suppose both. Suppose if Richard want to deploy the changes, then Richard will tell me. If you want to deploy the changes, then obviously Richard or you, anyone can tell me. Even Cat can tell me, hey, I have completed my changes. Can I deploy? And I'm just going to deploy. So please merge this code to your branch which you want to deploy. Okay. Because why I'm talking like that? All things should be synced. Right? Suppose if things are coming to me and going through me, then I am the person who know about the which branch is uploaded, which branch is deployed, right? So it would be a very good thing because why I'm talking about, because you guys cannot raise a merge request or PR, but right? You cannot make a merge request. That's what I'm talking about. Otherwise, I would have told to you, please raise a merge request with blah 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 branch name. So in that case, I would review the code. So right. So please tell me the branch name, even if you want to deploy your changes. Otherwise, don't need to tell me. And I think Richard want to deploy the changes. So ask Richard which branch he's working on it, so that I can merge with the branch and I'll upload. Okay. Okay, I tell you branch name after all change, but yes, before add column, edit schedule report is not working. But after added column, it's work fine. Okay. Okay. So okay, yeah. Are you able to schedule the report? Хотя
Сейчас есть возможность создавать репорт, ну, schedule, создавать расписание на репорт.
Можешь сказать, что у меня есть еще 4 вопроса по реализации, а потом я могу показать интерфейс, что сейчас готово.
Yes, but Yar has some more questions, so he can he ask these questions and then he can show you how it's work now.
Okay.
Okay, задавай.
Okay. And also, so Richard, if you can you show me your screen and show me the database? Okay. One more suggestion I would like to give you. I share my screen. Okay. So, but My question ask you. Go ahead. But my question is not a database. I have
Ярослав,
question in.
подожди на секундочку, он тебе хотел предложить еще одно решение по базе данных, перед тем, как ты
Okay,
вопрос
okay,
задаешь.
okay, sorry.
So, Asit, can you go ahead and say the suggestions about database? And
Okay.
then then Yar, go ahead.
Okay. So, in your tab, so open the scheduler part as well in web application. Scheduler screen. Scheduler. I open. No. I'm not talking about code. Web application server. Open the test environment or localhost, whatever. Okay. And you have integrated Sonar link with your application, with your Visual Studio. No, no. Yeah, I have told you so many times about this. Please, otherwise things are very complicated for me. I will suppose after merging the code, after deploying, I check the code and found lot of bugs in the code. Right. So please today your first task would be the configure SonarLint and check whatever new code you have written. Please fix that thing as well. Okay. Okay. Because SonarLint will give you the latest practices as well. It would be helpful for you as well for your future, right? So it would guide you. It will tell you, hey, this is the obsolete feature. You just need to use this. This is the good thing, and basic. It will tell you complexity of your code as well. Custom report page. And again, I'm saying you have not changed the tab name yet. Scheduled reports. ED. E and D. Scheduled. Okay? Scheduled. D. You just need to add one more D here. Okay. Schedule D?
Scheduled.
Yes, this one, correct.
Потому что это уже запланированные репорты.
Okay. Yes. Can you close this here? And now this is the list. Okay. Now one more thing. I just want to the report type, right? This should be the name, not integer value. Okay. In why table I get report name? Sorry. How I get report name? Okay. There is a table name called custom report type, right? You can get the name from the custom report type. Table custom report type. Yes. Okay. Okay. And okay. Now go to the UI. Go to the UI. Yeah. So here there would be two more columns. One last execution time and next execution time. Last execution time and next execution time of the report. Okay. Okay. Last send report and next. Yes. Next. Yes. Okay. So in this column in yes. Add two more column last execution time and next execution time.
Where this column should be between date create and report name or next to the frequency maybe.
Yes, next to the frequency.
Okay,
next to the frequency.
Good.
Okay, and also there one more thing required. So go to the table. Table. Database table. Okay. In this so, or no? This the report scheduler. Here. So here also we need to add two columns. Okay, last execution time and next execution time. Okay, so both should be null, right? Should can contain null. So suppose if there is a job that would execute on the same time. So on the same time when the job will execute, it will update the database table. Okay, it will update the database table. So you just add two more column, and I will take care of the value when the value will be updated into the tables. Okay.
Okay, at to column and set type date time type.
Yes.
Okay.
Just like created date, right? So okay, you just need to add three columns. One for last execution time, and second for next execution time, and third you are talking about the frequency type. Okay.
Okay.
Good. Anything? Oh, okay.
And I have a question. I have error in repository provider delete method. I have this error. You see, object of type system int 32 cannot be converted to type system int 16.
Okay, fine.
And
okay.
I fixed it. Add 1 second. I fixed it. Add this row. Deleted one, convert to int 16, and this worked well.
Okay, listen. You have added one more method. This is new method you have added.
No, this is repository provider in your method. I don't add this method.
Okay, but you have added one extra field, right? This one.
I added only this row fixed error.
Okay, give me a second. So the result is equal to null, and if hard deleted, not is hard deleted, and then okay. If not in hard deleted, set value result deleted equal to null. Okay. So you have converted. If you added this thing, this is working fine, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Otherwise, the error was. Okay. And show me the error code.
This
Result is not equal to null. Deleted. Is deleted. Okay. Okay. Go to the table. Go to that code. Okay. Now you just enter this library. Okay. Can you tell me the get async get async entity ID? Entity. Okay. Can you tell me the entity name? Go to the entity. Which class is this?
entity name report scheduler. Report scheduler entity.
Entity. And then report scheduler. Okay. Then go to the report scheduler model in the class.
Second. Sorry. Report scheduler. In this class.
Is directed Okay, no problem. Maybe the problem was it was taking the integer value. So now this is fine now. You have converted it to the then it's working fine.
Yes, yes.
Okay, then it's okay, no problem. Go on.
Okay, and update method in 1 second. This is report schedule service, your service. Schedule report, create report, and update schedule report. But this method don't mm, this method don't process every n hours and every n day. Create method process this enum type, but update not process. I just add. I didn't know.
Okay, I have added this method. I have created this method. Okay, so okay, it was update scheduler report was added by you or it was added by me?
You edit. I don't edit this.
Okay. Okay, so no problem. You can add both things on board. Whatever you add, then just copy paste and add here.
Okay, okay. I understand.
So maybe I have added this code previously when and this was not there. So maybe I have forgot to add this.
Okay, no problem. And I just add to return bool in this method. Task bool. Return true or false, or result update, or create, or delete.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. No problem.
And
the add ID. What does it mean? Change updates you don't report. Add ID. The 6 point.
Yes. In this model, don't have ID, but edit model will be must have ID property
For update, right?
for update. Yes.
Yes, yes.
I fixed it. I add ID property. Okay.
Okay, cool.
Okay. This is all questions. After fixed it, it's work fine. In I added edit. I added mapping model. Delete is working fine. Delete.
Okay.
Delete complete. But I add then I add a message.
Deleted successfully. Do you want to delete? Do you want to delete or not?
Yes. Do you want to delete or not? I will edit this message. And oh, report is not loading. Interesting.
Maybe you are logging with. Maybe you don't have access.
Maybe I log in.
interesting. It's after it's working fine.
And that's interesting because, as I understand, it's reports which Richard just created in our demo. Asset.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, I know. This understand. No, еще утром это работало.
Подожди.
Okay, I got the problem. I think the data source is not available. So can you select another report? You can log in with demo account. Okay, you are also logged in with demo account. Why all reports are not showing? Не понял.
Почему другие репорты не приходят?
Я ж вот это тоже не знаю. Еще утром до этого я проверял, все приходило.
And that's strange because in the morning Yar checked it and it's work. So maybe we should recheck it and maybe something went wrong.
Okay, please check.
Yes, sure. Because and maybe this problem depends on report designer. Can it be?
Yes, I can understand. So no problem. Go ahead and please check.
Yes, sure.
Okay, Asit, and you, как сказать, устраивает ли такая реализация, что я нажимаю на edit и перехожу на ту модельку? То есть правильно это реализовано?
Okay, and as it good is that when user click edit, he moved to create schedule. View. Yes, so it's good. Okay.
Okay, and after click in create schedule, model is he go to the generate. Yeah, he should go to the schedule report section. Okay, so once go in the create schedule, so can you click on the edit button? Can you click on edit button? Edit. Go to edit.
Yes, and from this view, if user wants to create a new schedule, what he should to do? So can he click on create schedule tab?
No. He should go to the generate report section. That's it. Not the schedule report. Create schedule. Okay, I got your point. So I think okay. The tab name is still create schedule, no?
Yes, right. Maybe we should add once more no static view edit report schedule between schedule report and create schedule. And when user click edit, there will be once more tab edit schedule where user can. No? Okay.
No. In edit schedule, no, this is not good. Otherwise, user will confuse in that case. So why clicking on the edit button? Yes, yeah. Go ahead. Maybe add button clear all or default view. Default view or clear all in clear this. I'll tell you one thing. Go to the report here. Click on the edit button. Instead of showing the scheduled report button, make it edit report. In the case of when user is coming from edit.
So
is it possible?
Instead create schedule or instead schedule reports?
Schedule report. The button. Okay. It should change. But in the create report, it should be schedule report. Or when user is coming from clicking on edit button, it should be the edit report. Is it possible?
One moment. Ярослав, ты понял, что он имеет в виду?
Добавить что ли еще одну табу?
Нет, не еще одну табу добавить, чтобы когда ты нажимаешь Edit, у тебя вместо Schedule Report, Scheduled Report, становилась табка Edit Report. Чтобы у тебя менялось название табки и вид табки, ты понял?
То есть вместо второй табы превращалась в Edit, и у нее вид был вот такой вот, да?
So as it right, is I understand good that instead when a user click edit, instead scheduled report should be edit report. Right?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Right.
Да, то есть Ярослав понял, да, вместо вот этой тапки scheduled report должно быть edit report и изменяться внешний вид.
Okay. Okay, I understand your point. And for example, I create create schedule report case create, and when I select in mapping fields, but report is already created. Okay, this is right.
Sorry, can you repeat again?
After create demo report 1, if this report is already exist, after click fields is mapping already created report, and user don't add to
New report.
New report.
Yes, he just edit exist report.
If user clicked in schedule report in this view, user edit report this, but not add a new report. I add this validation. I see.
Acid, are you able to hear us? Возможно, у него проблемы с интернетом. Бывает. Сейчас должен переключиться, наверное.
Ну, ты понимаешь, что я правильно сказал, что они вроде бы это просили, что один репорт.
Да, что один репорт, один юзер, одно расписание,
да,
я помню. Да,
нельзя добавить. Может, я добавил, что сейчас может только редактировать. То есть в данном случае кнопка будет работать как редактирование уже, не как. Конечно, тоже немного путаница, может менять название или я не знаю. Как можно менять название?
Ну, сейчас с ним поговорим еще. Сейчас я думаю, он переподключится сейчас.
Я только что, конечно, вот это я не... то есть мне нужно будет менять, чтобы таблица пропадала. Получилось edit schedule, как-то так. Вместо этого, после редактирования нажимаю OK, и опять возвращается табличка.
Да. Ну, коряво, честно говоря.
Ну да.
Потому что, на мой взгляд, лучше добавлять одну табу, например. Или у тебя все равно create schedule работает как edit schedule.
Вот, я это уже настроил. Я мог бы менять название create на edit, и здесь кнопку я тоже мог менять название.
Может, ему предложим тогда вот это менять?
Вполне, чтобы пользователь как бы не путался.
Ну, сейчас, если он подключится, потому что у него разные. У него могут интернет умереть, мог ноутбук умереть. Давай, подождем пару минуток.
Ну, я уточнил вот эти все моменты, потому что Ася просил без его ведома.
Не, правильно. Ну, а сценар линии давай подключим. И Ричарду нам нужно тоже пингануть, чтобы он тоже подключил. Хорошо. Поможешь ему, пожалуйста? Потому что, видишь, для него это вот безумно важно.
Не, я понимаю, он хочет, чтобы она проверяла код, но я, в принципе, знаю, что то, что я написал, оно не будет читаться как ошибка. Понятно, что я-то знаю Ася.
Ну, да. Понимаешь, ему нужно, он же не может отвечать за твой код, грубо говоря. Каждый отвечает за свой кусок работы. Для него это легче.
Стороны. Может, мы тогда пока не знаю, завершим колл, подождем, пока Асит ответит.
Давай 2 минутки подождем.
Хорошо.
Ну, 1 минутку. Вот, еще. Потому что Асит мне в WhatsApp почему-то не пишет. Он обычно сразу пишет. Странно как-то.
Просто и Алисе сейчас, я вот, честно говоря, не до конца понял, я еще буду колл пересматривать. У нас же есть 2 способа добавления в БД. Можно напрямую вот здесь вот добавить новую табличку, а он говорил, что я использовал скрипты.
он говорил, чтобы ты не забыл подключить скрипты.
Вот, чтобы я не забыл подключить скрипты. Вот разобраться в этом, на самом деле, я этим не занимался, поэтому я хотел, чтобы он просто их добавил. Для него это рядовая операция.
Ну, я... Hi, Acid. Yes.
Sorry, my internet got disconnected.
No problem. Yeah, can you share? Yes.
Okay.
Once more, what you have done that if user select previously scheduled report, user move to edit this report and can schedule once more this report. And maybe we can suggest you to don't change schedule reports tab, but maybe we can change create schedule tab, and if user click edit, move user to create schedule type, but rename it in edit schedule type tab. Acid?
Hi. So you want to create one more tab?
No.
Or in the same tab you are talking?
No, not create one more type, but when user click schedule report, move user to edit schedule tab instead create schedule. If user click edit, then create schedule type, rename in edit schedule type.
No, okay, fine. Suppose if user want to create a report, right? He just want to go back. Then what will happen? You want to go back.
Yes, if user click schedule reports, tap edit schedule, rename back in create schedule.
No, in that this is not user. This is not for user friendly, right? So
okay, so we should.
Okay, I will tell you about this. So let me discuss with some designer. Also, you're talking about. So I'm just giving the idea how we will handle if the report is already created and we are not allowing the user to create new report, right? So in that case, if the report is already created, added, so what? So when user click on the schedule report button, or if the report is already created, then what would happen? You just tell the user, hey, the report is already scheduled. Do you want to modify the frequency or timing? If yes, then the process will be continued. Otherwise, if we will select no, then the same.
Yes, I realize this. In this in a report is already created, and if user click in schedule report, user modify this report or no created a new report.
Okay, no, modify report is fine. User, are you giving the message to the user? Hey, this report is already scheduled. Do you want to modify the timing or not?
Okay, so it should be pop-up, right?
Yes, this should be a pop-up.
Okay.
Giving the message to the user, okay?
Okay. Ярослав, просто pop-up добавить. Как подтверждение редактирования. Понял?
Хорошо.
Yes, okay, we got your point.
Вообще,
and for the added part, I'll come back to you after our call.
Okay, sure. So we're waiting for this. Yes.
So you can continue this thing, and we'll take care later.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Anything else?
One moment, Катя, сейчас смотри, тут же у нас в этой модельке можно один репорт, один репорт на одного юзера, то есть один тип репорта, грубо говоря, нельзя создать два одинаковых. Поэтому, мне кажется, логично было бы, если, сейчас я не знаю, почему не подгружаются другие, но если у нас большой список, то есть если мы нажимаем на репорт, который уже существует, оно меняется на edit. Если мы нажимаем на репорт, который не существует, то оно остается create. Мне казалось, что это было бы логично и довольно-таки интересный выход из этой ситуации.
Okay, so your suggest us maybe it will be more user-friendly. So when user select exit scheduled report, say user that it's not created new reports, it's edited this report. Maybe we can no, maybe don't change tab name, but maybe we can give to user a message near the report name that this report exists scheduled.
Okay, sorry, Kate, can you repeat again?
Okay, so when a user chooses scheduled previously report, maybe we should give message near the select report drop down that this report exists scheduled already. And
Okay.
And maybe user shouldn't fill in all information and give information about this report before the user continues filling information in this field.
Okay, so you want to suppose if the user is clicking on the create schedule report, then when user will select the report from drop down, then you will give, hey, this report is already created.
Yes,
Right?
yes, right. Because and we can do this maybe don't pop up and just message near the drop down.
This drop down.
Yes.
Yes, this is okay. You can create this. You can make this, no problem.
Я не совсем это решение.
Я поняла, что ты имел в виду, но я думаю, что это тоже будет неплохое решение. Просто сообщеньку будем выдавать.
Ну так аналогично, что если ты хочешь редактировать, то
Yes.
Yeah, but how we will restrict the user? Because suppose if we will give the message to the user, then suppose if he is not taking care, he is not aware about that message, and definitely we should give the pop-up so that he can select yes and no, because he just want to take the decision on the base of the report, right? So there should be a option to him. Hey, this report is already created. Do you want to update or not? So the information is not so much, so it's hardly 5 to 10 second task, right? User can modify, user can fill, suppose demo, email address, frequency, day, time, right? Sometimes he want to update because he want to update the emails, how many emails he want to update, for how many users he want to send the email, right? So that kind of things basically required. So just let him fill the detail and ask him, hey, you have modified the time or blah blah blah. You just want to update the report or not? This report is already scheduled.
Okay, so, and if user choose created previously report that it will be edited but not created, and
correct.
And should we rename this tab in this rename tab? It's maybe not good. But user maybe should know that it's editing. He moved to editing report, but not in creating report.
No, Kate, I'm not talking about added schedule and all those things. I'm just talking about if the user is trying to create a new report and the report is already available, right? So that in that case, when user click on the schedule report button, just show a pop-up. This report is already scheduled by you. Can you do you want to update it or not? That's it. If he click on the yes, then go perform the next operation. When he click on no, then just go back. That's it. I'm not okay.
Okay.
And yeah, and for now, forget about coming from the schedule report section, clicking on the edit button. I'll come back on topic.
Okay, once more to clarify and got your point. So we should view this pop-up when we choose report or when we click schedule report button.
Yes.
So when we click schedule report button, right?
Okay, yes, when you click on schedule report button, then the pop-up will open.
Okay, got it. Got it. So we are waiting for decision about editing.
Okay, done.
Done. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you, Asit.
Thank you. Have a good day.